Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we introducing the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado is set to make waves in the pickup truck market with its bold design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. Chevrolet has refined its iconic truck to meet the demands of modern drivers who seek power, efficiency, and innovation. Whether you're a daily commuter, an off-road enthusiast, or someone who needs a reliable workhorse, the 2025 Silverado offers something for everyone. Chevrolet has given the Silverado a fresh exterior design, with a more aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a stronger, more aerodynamic body. The truck's muscular stance ensures it remains one of the most recognizable vehicles on the road. The available trims, from the base model to the luxurious high country, offer various styling options, catering to a wide range of preferences. Under the hood, the 2025 Silverado continues to impress with multiple engine options, including a powerful V8, a fuel-efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder, and a torque-rich Duramax diesel. Chevrolet has fine-tuned these engines to provide the perfect balance of power and efficiency, making the Silverado a great choice for towing, hauling, and everyday driving. Paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, the truck delivers smooth acceleration and enhanced fuel economy. Inside, the Silverado offers a high-tech and comfortable cabin. The latest model features a redesigned